So welcome back, and today we will be talking about the secret behind Jamaicans running fast. And one of the biggest questions that a lot of people all over the world have been asking about Jamaican sprinters. Now, there is something you do not know about Jamaican sprinters. Yes, you watching this video right now, there is a secret about Jamaican sprinters that you need to know. And in this video, we will expose everything you need to know about these Jamaican sprinters, why they run so fast, why they are always ahead of their fellow athlete in the world, why they happen to be the best sprinters in the whole wide world. Now, let me say this, there is no country in this whole wide world that comes close to Jamaicans when it comes to sprinting event. The only country that is trying to compete with them is the United States of America, and up till today they have not yet been able to produce athletes that are equal to this level of mastery in track and sprinting event. So today we will be talking about the main reason why these Jamaican sprinters are so successful in sprinting event, why they never lose, why they are always sprinting ahead of other countries and athletes. Definitely they are doing something different. Yes, when you see somebody always winning ahead of his fellow rival, then you definitely know they are doing something that others are not doing. And in this video we will be exposing, and you have to know everything that the Jamaicans are doing. So if you are also a track athlete, and in case you are watching this video, you can also implement those strategies Jamaican sprinters have been using for years and decades. And this method, even Usain Bolt, the greatest of all time, used this method. Is not a new method. A lot of athletes have been using this method. So in this video, that is what we will be exposing. Now, before I say anything, I know that a lot of you will not be happy after I finally expose the secret or strategies that the Jamaican sprinters have been using in order to always be successful in sprinting event and also in track. I know a lot of you will not be happy with it. A lot of you will be sad by the end of this video, because you will not be happy by the truth I'm going to spill. You will not be happy. That is just the fact, because the truth hurts. The truth is normally bitter. Whenever somebody speaks the truth, it is always bitter to people who don't want to hear it. Now, one thing about these Jamaican sprinters, and the reason why a lot of people are hating on these Jamaican sprinters, is because they are so successful in sprinting. They have taken over. I feel like they have the factory. They own the factory when it comes to sprinting. They do. And because they own the factory, that is why you see a lot of people hating on this Jamaican athlete. That is why you see other countries hating on this athlete. That is why you see the Jamaican sprinters having a lot of enemies. What I mean by this is because of how successful they are, I have seen a lot of articles. People are trying to bring down these Jamaican sprinters you're actually seeing, because they feel like maybe the Jamaican sprinters are cheating. They feel like maybe the Jamaican sprinters are using some drugs. But the truth is, come on, guys, these Jamaican sprinters are sprinters that have been working hard. They are damn hard working. That is just the reality. That is just the fact. That is just the cheat code. The cheat code is hard work. These guys are hardworking, and they are Africans. They are originated from Africa, particularly the West Africa. Normally, the West Africans, if you have a West African blood in you, you are way like ahead, more faster than any other person in the world. So the Jamaicans originated from West Africa, which is in particularly Nigeria and Ghana. So that has been able to contribute in making them so fast. And apart from that, they are just hardworking. They believe in themselves. They believe in their dreams, and nobody is going to take that away from them. Even Usain Bolt, that is the cheat code he used. Usain Bolt has never been tested positive for anything, and that just proves to you that these guys are clean. They are clean athletes. They are just the definition of perfect hard work. They are just the definition of sincerity. They are just the definition of honesty. Look at Shelly and Fraser Pryce. She has been running for more than a decade, and she has not been tested for anything throughout the entire of her career. And this just goes to prove my point about hard work and believing in yourself that I can do it without anything. And when it comes to discipline, the Jamaican sprinters are very, very disciplined. They listen to their coach. They are not that kind of a stubborn athlete. They are just strict. They love chasing their dreams. I feel like as an athlete, you should put you're like, okay, this is what I want and this is what I'm going to go for. I feel like that is the motto of the Jamaicans. They love athletics, they love track in particular, and they love the sprinting event. And that is why you see a lot of sprinters making it from Jamaica. That is why you see a lot of successful sprinters from Jamaica. And the whole wide world is wondering, okay, what are these people using? What is the magic? What is the cheat code? Forgetting that without hard work, you can't even get there. Forgetting that even if you use drugs and you are not hardworking, you can't even get there. So the reason why you are seeing a lot of, and I've seen a lot of viral articles on the social media. I've seen a lot of like articles that are created to bring this Jamaicans athlete down. A lot of people asking a lot of controversial questions like, are the Jamaicans cheating? And when I see such articles, it actually saddens my heart because come on, we are not talking about one athlete from Jamaica that is good in sprinting. We are talking about one, two, three, four, five, six, and even up to 20 sprinters. All the oh my god. Like what are you talking about? What are you talking about? These guys has been dominating in the 1990s. And yet we are in 2004 and they have a lot, in fact most of the major categories in the 100, 200, 400 are being dominated by the Jamaicans. Look, if United States of America, if Shakari is not even going to touch her belt in the coming Paris Olympic, I feel like the Jamaicans will repeat the 1, 2, 3 because come on, Elaine is back. Shelly is getting ready for revenge of what happens to her in Budapest, and Shericka Jackson is back. She's back.